Do you want withdraw money in your application Worldcoin? Okay, we are going to app, ¿vale? World app, okay, and here in the World ID, okay, in this section, go to okay, go to wallet, okay, in wallet, and here have a target Worldcoin, okay, have a click, okay, click here, and for withdraw the money you can put the Worldcoins here, and okay, in sell, okay, you sell the Worldcoins, and you have a money, okay, or send, okay, and you put the address, the exchange, okay, or Binance or wallet, okay, and bye bye.